This is the first week of the year. Damn. And also a pretty big week for my penny stock portfolio. Also, damn. Welcome back. I'm 25 and invested, and I would just like to inform you that I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial anything. I'm a tradesman. This portfolio is, it's not, I guess, not a joke portfolio, but it is a, I guess you could say, it's more or less a joke portfolio. It is doing minimal research, YOLOing my money into stocks that I don't think are going to perform very well. Usually these stocks are going out of business. I have not had any stocks delist yet, but I mean, it's only a matter of time. This should fill up. I have no 100% winners. I have no 500% winners. If a stock does reach 100%, I will take half the profits, and then I will roll that into another stock. If it's a 200% win, I will roll the profits in again, and if it's a 400% win, I will roll those again, halving it each time, I guess you could say, and then just leaving that as is, I guess, or maybe I should just be taking those profits and throwing them into the TFSA. I think that's a better way to go about it. We'll see. Anyways, this whole portfolio is crazy. It is full of not very good stocks. I made it so that I could buy stocks up to $1 per share, just to open up and broaden how many stocks I'm allowed to choose from, because the stocks that I was looking at during the whole first half of this portfolio were stocks that were, 3 to 5 cents, down 88%, and oil. Almost exclusively oil and mining. So now we see a few more different stocks in there, and I think $1 per share, no more than $1 per share, is a pretty happy medium. Yeah. Anyways, let's go on to Wealthsimple. So overall, this portfolio is down 10%, which is pretty wild because it was down quite a bit further than that. I think it had a low of minus 18%. Over the past 3 months, it is down 5%, year 10%. I'm trying to see if I can replicate how, okay, there you go. Yeah, so it used to be pretty bad, and now it is not that bad. There was a huge jump here, $10. Yeah, over the past 1 month, we're up 3%. That is just something that I did not expect to see. I did not expect to see that. Down 5%. You get the gist. Anyways, let's just take a look at what I own. Flint Corp, 802 shares. I'm down 28%. FLT, Drone Delivery Canada. This is something that I did buy on the suggestion of Blossom. A couple Blossom members did suggest FTL. This is also something that one of my old coworkers has, still has. He was down like 75-80% on it. He bought it during the hype of the pandemic, and I am buying it a few years later at 16 cents. I think I bought it at like 18 cents. So yeah. Fortune Minerals FT, 500 shares. I am completely flat. This one, I'm just surprised it's flat. It goes up and down. Gatekeeper Systems Inc., which is, again, one of the stocks that I bought. I increased the amount of money I could spend on stocks to 50 cents when I bought this. Again, I was trying to open the door to different stocks that I could buy, and Gatekeeper Systems Inc. Fit the bill. And now I'm up almost 56% on Gatekeeper Systems. This is the only stock that is actually heavily positive. Pretty fun to see. Hydro Clean Power Inc. I'm up 22%. That's pretty nice as well. Yeah, I think between these two, they're basically lifting the entire portfolio. I3, I'm down 25%. This is another Blossom stock. Actually, all these stocks that I own are from Blossom. They were recommended to me from Blossom members. If you don't know what Blossom is, it's just a Canadian investing social media platform. So I go on there. I'm actually quite an active member on there. You'll get dumb posts from me pretty often, at least once a day, maybe even more. I've been spamming it quite a bit lately. But yeah, Blossom has been the source of the growth of the YouTube channel. So pretty nice. Metamaterials Inc. I'm down 71% on. That is the worst performing stock in the portfolio. It is also the only American one. So, yeah, damn. $5 left in the metamaterials. I do believe this is going to be the first stock to delist. I really think so. ORM, Orford Mining, we're actually completely flat. 5 cents per share. Nice. That's so fun. Yeah, Orford Mining, pretty good. Pretty good. I'm excited to see what happens to it. I'm excited to see what happens to all these stocks. I just hope that more delists happen, to be honest with you. That's the real goal here. Prairie Provident Resources, down 44%. Damn, another mining stock. Prime Drink Co. This is the stock that I bought when I lifted how much money I could spend per share to 25 cents. So again, trying to reach out and buy different stocks. I think Prime Drink Corp is just diluting shareholders, and they're having a great time doing it. This is one of the last stocks that I bought. I believe this was 4 weeks ago. Sun Residential Real Estate Investment Trust. I'm down 0.02%. I just bought it at about 6 cents. So not bad. I mean, it's just holding steady. You can see that it's 25.25. That's because I had dividends or like, you know, I had a little bit of money on the side, so I just sort of put it in. This pays dividend. It also has a -6 PE, so, you know, probably issuing debt to pay that dividend. Standard Uranium Ltd. I'm down 25%. I do believe this was the first stock that I bought. So, yeah. Yeah. And UFC, which was Urban Fund Corp. This is the last stock that I did buy. Again, I'm increasing it to $1, so I bought this at, I think, 91 cents. Something like that. 93 cents. Yeah, UFC, the newest stock to add to the portfolio. That was 2 weeks ago, and I'm down 3% since then. I believe it was down 10% at some point. You know, that's just how this goes. I think that now that I have just a huge group of stocks and I keep adding to it, it's eventually going to become less volatile, which is not really what I was expecting. Yeah, and a lot of these stocks are down 80%. You know, I mean, let's go into metamaterials. Yeah, I mean, they hit a high of $10. Right now they're sitting comfortably at 6 cents. This is the usual chart for this portfolio. I mean, we look at Orford Mining over the past 5 years. You know, obviously I'd love for it to hit 25 cents. We'll see about that. I mean, it does go up and down quite extensively, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how things go. It's fun. And then what is it? HydroClean. What's another bad one? Provident. There you go. Oh wait, I just clicked on that. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. So they hovered around 2 cents for a very long time. Again, we're looking to buy them when they're at the 2 cents, you know, like just before they go bankrupt or before they swing it around. That's more or less what my idea for this account was. And if it doesn't happen, they delist, and if it does happen, sweet. So yeah, $25 every 2 weeks. The fund money account, the non-registered fund money account. Hopefully this does just turn into one big tax write-off, but for some reason it's just not looking likely. If you notice why it looks like that, that is because this is how long it's been for my TFSA. So I made my TFSA in 2021, January 2021. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.